There. We have here a Warco WM240B lathe just delivered and unpacked. It's been hooked to the engine crane, and as you can see, is hovering in the air at the moment. It will be lifted on that table and will be placed permanently there. So I hope you enjoy watching it. Here is my operator.
Hi.
Safety first.
Oh, hate that saying.
Okie dokie. So what we've got is the wooden base which came on the pallet. It's held by two bolts, one over there and one over here. So these will need removing once we maneuver it to a place where we can lift it even further higher. If you can point over there. I'm not interesting. Not interesting whatsoever. Yeah, currently I have an obstruction on top, which is two bicycles hovering from the ceiling or roof, would say.
I'd say pretty dangerous.
No, perfectly safe. So, please step away for a sec. Oh,
Wrong way.
okay. Okay. We're nearly there.
If you say
lift
so.
it even further. Okay. So we can continue lifting it up so we can get to the two bolts underneath. Maggie, please step away. That's more than enough. Thank you. Was bad. Did you hear that?
Yep, I did. I think we're nearly to the end of how high we can put it. Put it.
Yep. So, okay, let me grab my tools. Just to see what sort of a bolt it is. Quite big, 22. There is a nut as well. Okay.
Значи какво става?
Погледни я тук вътре. If you see inside here, that's the nut, and there is a bolt.
Yep.
And that needs removing so that pallet can go.
Okay, totally understood.
And there is another bolt over there.
Okay.
For now, we'll concentrate on this one.
Yep. As it's
And
more
I
easily visible.
I think, as it is, we have to lower it down first to get these ropes. Snimmi det? To get these ropes shorter, because I think we reached the maximum of this left, and it's not enough to get it, or maybe just enough to get it on the table, but don't want to risk it.
Understood.
Yep, stop the recording please.
Okay.